Iran, a land of contrasts and ancient wonders. The very name conjures up images of ancient cities, bustling bazaars, and majestic mosques. These urban centers are a testament to Iran's rich history and cultural heritage. But beyond the urban centers, beneath a vast, sun-drenched sky, lies a different Iran. An Iran where the landscape stretches out in an endless panorama of natural beauty. This is the Iran of the nomads, a world where ancient traditions and a deep connection to the land define everyday life. Here, life moves at the pace of the seasons, with each change bringing new challenges and opportunities. The open road is not just a path, but a way of life, a journey that defines the very essence of nomadic existence. For centuries, nomadic tribes like the Bakhtiari, with their rich cultural heritage, and Qashqai have roamed the plateaus and mountains of Iran, their lives intricately woven into the fabric of the land. Their journeys are marked by the rhythms of nature and the changing seasons. Their lives intricately woven into the fabric of the land, they have developed a profound understanding of their environment. Their traditions, passed down through countless generations, are a living testament to their resilience and adaptability. These traditions offer a glimpse into a world untouched by time, where the past and present coexist in harmony. Their journey is a testament to human resilience, a delicate dance between man and nature, where every step is a story of survival and harmony. This delicate dance is a symphony of life, where man and nature move in perfect harmony, each respecting the other's role in the grand tapestry of existence. Join me as we delve into this extraordinary world, exploring the vibrant tapestry of Iranian nomadic culture. Together, we will uncover the stories, traditions, and the enduring spirit of these remarkable people, who continue to thrive in harmony with the land they call home. The Zagros Mountains, a rugged spine running the length of western Iran, are home to the Bakhtiari people. Known for their fierce independence and deep connection to the land, the Bakhtiari are a sight to behold. Their black tents, woven from goat hair, dot the mountain slopes like dark jewels. Inside, the scent of cardamom tea and wood smoke hangs heavy in the air. Life is harsh, but the Bakhtiari face it with stoicism and grace. Their hospitality is legendary. A stranger, welcomed into their midst, will be treated with warmth and generosity. It's a humbling experience, a reminder of the common threads that bind us all. Further south, across the rolling plains of Fars province, roam the Qashqai. Famed for their exquisite carpets, the Qashqai are masters of color and design. Their weavings, intricate and bold, are more than just rugs. They are works of art, imbued with the spirit of the tribe. The women, adorned with silver jewelry and colorful headscarves, work their magic on looms strung beneath the open sky. The patterns they create, passed down from mother to daughter, tell stories of their history, their beliefs, and their dreams. To witness this ancient craft is to witness art in its purest form. Imagine this: a vast plain stretching out as far as the eye can see. The sun beats down, casting long shadows across the parched earth. And then in the distance, a ripple of movement. As you draw closer, the sight takes your breath away. Hundreds of tents, black against the blue sky, flap gently in the breeze. This is a nomadic encampment, a temporary village erected wherever grazing is plentiful. The air hums with activity. Children chase each other through the maze of tents, their laughter carried on the wind. Women gather around wells, their voices mingling with the bleating of sheep. Men tend to their flocks, their weathered faces etched with the wisdom of generations. This is nomadic life in all its raw, unfiltered beauty. Section 5. The Rhythm of the Seasons. Nomadic life is governed by the rhythm of the seasons, an ancient cycle of migration and settlement. This way of life has been passed down through generations, a tradition that remains largely unchanged despite the passage of time. In spring, as the snow melts and the mountains turn green, the tribes pack up their belongings and embark on their annual journey. The air is filled with the sounds of nature awakening, and the nomads move with a sense of renewal and hope. It's a grueling trek, often lasting weeks, as they traverse treacherous mountain passes and arid plains. The journey is fraught with challenges, from unpredictable weather to the physical demands of the terrain. but it's a journey they undertake with a sense of purpose, their lives inextricably linked to the land and its bounty. Every step they take is a testament to their resilience and their deep understanding of the environment. As summer fades and the first chill of autumn descends, they return to their winter pastures, their flocks laden with the bounty of the highlands. The return journey is a time of reflection and preparation for the colder months ahead. It's a cycle that has sustained them for centuries, a testament to their deep connection to the natural world. This enduring tradition highlights the delicate balance between humans and nature, a relationship that is both fragile and resilient. Section 6. Challenges on the horizon. But life for Iran's nomads is not without its challenges. Modernity encroaches on their traditional way of life, threatening their very existence. Drought, a harsh reality in this arid land, is becoming increasingly frequent, decimating their flocks and forcing them to abandon their ancestral lands. Government policies, aimed at sedentarization, often fail to take into account their unique needs and traditions. And the allure of city life, with its promise of education and opportunity, proves irresistible to many young nomads, further eroding their cultural heritage. The challenges are real, but so is their spirit. Section 7. Welcoming strangers. Despite the hardships they face, the hospitality of the Iranian nomads remains undimmed. A stranger arriving at their doorstep is greeted with open arms. Chai, brewed strong and sweet, is offered alongside dates and flatbread, symbols of welcome and generosity. Stories are shared, laughter echoes through the tents, and for a brief moment, you feel like you've known these people your whole life. It's a reminder that despite our differences, there's a universal language of kindness that transcends borders and cultures. Section 8. Tourism, a double-edged sword. Tourism, for all its potential benefits, presents both opportunities and challenges for Iran's nomadic communities. On the one hand, it offers a vital source of income, allowing them to supplement their dwindling livelihoods and preserve their traditions. The influx of visitors, eager to experience their unique way of life, provides a market for their handicrafts, from intricate carpets to hand-woven bags. But uncontrolled tourism, driven by profit over preservation, threatens to exploit their culture and erode their way of life. The key lies in responsible tourism, in ensuring that the nomads themselves benefit from the industry, and that their culture is respected and preserved, not commodified and exploited. Section 9. A vanishing world. As I stand here, amidst the vastness of the Iranian plateau, I am struck by the sheer beauty and timelessness of this land. The rolling hills, the expansive skies, and the ancient pathways carved by countless generations of nomads tell a story of resilience and adaptation. The silence broken only by the bleating of sheep and the distant call to prayer, it feels as though time itself has slowed down, allowing us a rare glimpse into a world that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. Yet, amidst this tranquility, I can't help but feel a sense of urgency. The serene landscape hides the challenges faced by the nomadic communities who call this place home. The nomadic way of life, a way of life that has endured for centuries, is at a crossroads. These communities, who have thrived by living in harmony with nature, now find themselves grappling with the pressures of modernity. Modernity, in all its guises, threatens to engulf them, to erase their traditions, and assimilate them into the mainstream. The encroachment of urbanization, the lure of technology, and the changing climate all pose significant threats to their way of life, to erase their traditions and assimilate them into the mainstream. But there is hope. The wisdom of the elders, the skills passed down through generations, and the deep-rooted connection to the land offer a glimmer of hope for the future. By raising awareness of their plight, by promoting responsible tourism, and by supporting initiatives that empower these communities, we can make a difference. Responsible tourism can provide much-needed income while ensuring that the cultural integrity of the nomads is preserved. And by simply appreciating the beauty and resilience of their culture, we can help ensure that this ancient way of life continues to thrive for generations to come. The stunning landscapes they inhabit and the vibrant traditions they uphold are treasures that enrich our world. we can help ensure that this ancient way of life continues to thrive for generations to come. The laughter of nomadic children, the wisdom of the elders, and the strong sense of community are all testaments to a way of life that values human connection and harmony with nature. Theirs is a story that deserves to be told, a story that reminds us of the power of human resilience, the importance of cultural diversity, and the enduring connection between man and nature. It is a story that challenges us to reflect on our own lives and the choices we make. A story that reminds us of the power of human resilience, the importance of cultural diversity, and the enduring connection between man and nature. The resilience of the nomads in the face of adversity is a powerful reminder of the strength of the human spirit. The importance of cultural diversity, and the enduring connection between man and nature. Their festivals, their crafts, and their way of life are all expressions of a rich cultural heritage that deserves to be celebrated and preserved. And the enduring connection between man and nature. In a world that is increasingly disconnected from the natural world, the nomads remind us of the profound bond that exists between humans and the environment. Their way of life is a testament to the possibility of living in harmony with nature. And it is a legacy that we must strive to protect.